Today, we review the best RAW converter for Nikon that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Featured image editing software that gives photographers all the necessary tools needed to edit raw media. You can enhance the color brightness and saturation of images by using the color controls and adjusting using the slider buttons. The automatic retouch tool enables seamless editing when removing blemishes and other distractive elements.
Number 5.
Adobe Camera Workflow. Adobe Camera Workflow gives a proper understanding of the appropriate use of the Adobe Camera Raw plugin. Use the application to acquire the ability to produce high-quality images within a short time as you explore the various methods used in adjusting raw images such as exposure, cropping, and many other manipulations. Learn how to reduce digital noise and image sharpening techniques.